sweet friends. Miss Hendry here. All right, today is the next lesson in our Bible story. Remember, we're talking about creation this week, Genesis 1 through 13. All right, our memory verse was Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Don't forget to practice with Mommy and Daddy, okay? All right, remember, before God made the world, everything was dark and it was without form and it was empty. And then God spoke and said, "Let there be light." And then on day 1, he created the day and he called the darkness night. Then we talked about day 2, how that God separated the water from the sky. Then we talked about on day 3, God caused dry ground to come up out of the earth and out of the water. And then he made trees and flowers and beautiful plants. And then we're going to talk about day 4. So on day 4, God said, "Let the sun, the moon, and the stars appear in the sky." The sun gives light in the daytime, and the moon and stars shine at night. God just spoke, and these things appeared in just the right places, and God knew that it was good. So on day 4, God created the sun, the moon, and the stars. All right, we're going to look at day 5. Day 5, God said, "Let the waters be filled with fish and all the creatures that live in the water." All the fish and the creatures that swim suddenly appeared in the water. There were whales, dolphins, sharks, crabs, and many different fish, and all the little creatures that live in shells in the water. How amazing! Then God looked at the sky and said, "Let birds fly in the sky." And suddenly there were beautiful birds. White seagulls, blue jays, owls, red cardinals, big eagles like this one, tiny little hummingbirds, quacking ducks, and all other flying birds. Every animal in the water and every bird of the air God created on day 5. That is so cool. Bye, guys. Love you.